All right, good morning, cyber traders. Welcome back on this Thursday. How's everybody doing this morning? Good to see you all. Can we get a little chat? All right, let me just look at a couple of things right here. And where is he? All right, we got to talk to him a little bit. But I was looking for Andrea. I wanted to see where he is. I guess he didn't log in yet, everyone. Good to see you all. Anyway, so we're having a great morning so far. This stock, MED, oh my God, look at this thing. This thing just popped, just literally at one of the program trading times, which is right around that 8:30 time frame. And I guess big news just came out on the stock. You could see it right there at that 8:30 move. Stock runs from 425. Look at this. It did not want to stop all the way up until about $8. And even if you jumped in 15 minutes late and sit there and watched it within that 20-cent move, boom, thing just ran. It's running up another 50 cents. Stock has just been, this basically just paid for the whole day. I think some of you should quit right now. Just take the money and run. You don't need to make any more than that. The stock goes to 12, great. It goes back down to 4, you're screwed. But that alone has just been unbelievable of a stock right there. Meds. Pre-market. That's what it's all about. But we're going to talk a lot about a bunch of other things. But I'm just a little disappointed. I was expecting Andre to be here. I want to thank him. I don't know if you guys can see this, but look at all these cookies he delivered me and the staff. And I just had some questions to ask him. Look at this, look at all this good stuff he sent me. It says gluten-free. I didn't even know they make good gluten-free. I think he started. He's got some in here with pinoli cookies. I mean, look at this, biscottis. I mean, God, I love it. He did such a great job. I always gotta thank Andrea. He always depend on him every couple of months. Goes out of his way, goes to FedEx. He's up in Canada, Toronto, sends it down. Yeah, he's even got gluten-free. I can't believe it. Gluten-free. And he has something else that was on there, he said. Oh, there you are. I was looking for you, Andrea. Andrea, these things are phenomenal. I have to thank you so much. Thank you so much. Staff thanks you. I thank you. Actually, I brought a bunch of clams in, too, for the staff. I went clamming this weekend. So I don't have the coffee? Come on. I didn't have the espresso, but I saved that for the morning, but that was great. But thank you so much. Great cookies. My staff thanks you. Everybody thanks you. You're going to make me gain 1,000 pounds. But listen, I told you, Andrea, we're gonna come up to Toronto when you guys open up that border, and we're going to do a video. We're going to teach people how to make this on my new channel, the Fausto Home Living channel. So make sure you guys go there. I got a couple of great videos. I'm going to start promoting within the next week or two. I got about another 5 or 10 videos coming out. So, but I definitely want to do a video on how to make these cookies. They're phenomenal. All right. So anyway, enough with the cookies. Maybe not. I might have to try another one. But anyway, let's go find out what's going on in the market, because the market's obviously doing great. We got a nice run up that's going on with this meds right here. We'll talk a little bit about it. But there were a couple other stocks that we traded yesterday. I just want to bring those up really quick. And where am I? Let me bring up my chart right here. Always got to look at a 2-day chart. Look how gorgeous that intraday chart looks on an MEDS. Unbelievable. So there were a couple of stocks that moved yesterday. CUEN, that was a really nice move yesterday. You can see a stock right here went from 3. Oh my God, I got a cookie stuck on my throat. Delicious. We had this stock that had a really nice move right here. It literally went from, you could see, from $3 right now pre-market. It was awesome. It kind of died after the market opened up, but this was just like the med stock that we saw. It did a nice little shake around 5, went all the way to 9. You know, unbelievable stock that made a great move in pre-market. We did well with that one. ASTS also, another nice little mover right here, right at the gate, 930. Stock just had a really nice push, ran from like 1280 all the way up to about 1540. Another one that did pretty well. Let me just keep this up big. Maybe this will help out. BRQS, that one also, nice little move. Doesn't look as pretty as the other one, but that one also did pretty well. But the other ones, I mean, that pre-market one, the CUEN was just more than enough than what we really needed. I personally wasn't excited about yesterday. We're doing a phase 3. We got lesson 3 and 4 today. So gold students, don't forget, right after this, we're going to jump into that. But like I said yesterday, I really wasn't that impressed. We had that nice little pre-market. I thought it actually kind of stunk of the day. And listen, we're going to 4th of July weekend. There's 3 big weekends here in the United States. You have Memorial Day, 4th of July, and Labor Day. So 4th of July week, a very big week. But by the way, for all my Canadian friends out there, happy Canada. Don't think I didn't forget about you. Love my Canadian friends out there. So look forward. Hopefully, hope you guys enjoy your day. But we're closed on Monday. Remember, that's 4th of July. It's being observed. 4th of July is on a Saturday, a Sunday. So we're going to observe it on a Monday. But definitely it's going to be a really nice, I would just be very careful going into this weekend. The market's up about 59 points. We had a little bit of a rally yesterday, but like I said, I didn't see that much out there. But that med stock has just been a really, really nice move. Look, she's still going. She's still going. She's still strong. Is it ever too late to buy a stock? Is it ever too late? You know what? Follow the money. It's all you have to do. So anyway, we got that meds on the trade. I'm going to work also on the list to see what else is out there. Here's a new company. That's a new IPO that came out, doing phenomenal. Start at $10. Thing is up about $22. Listen, that's not our forte here at Cyber Trading University. But for all you Category 5 traders, this might be up your alley. I prefer the other one. Another very inexpensive stock. I had this one this morning that was on our big watch list, but I don't know what happened. She kind of died. But we know that sometimes the market opens up at 9:30. Program trading kicks in. These things make a big move. I'll put that on the watch list. We cannot forget the BLIN. That thing was just an animal for us the last couple of days. Some of you are so new here. You saw this. You're like, oh, my God, I can't believe this thing. You didn't know if you wanted to sell it, but it got a little beat up yesterday. But she's moving again this morning. BLIN. Look at that. It went from $2 to $9. 500%. Still harping over the meme stocks. Well, guess what? These meme stocks are out there every day at Cyber Trading University. Another stock I found this morning that made a nice pop, but she also started to find a little bit of her sweet spot. It was a $40 stock. Stock got hammered. WNW. I like this move at 7:30, but she did this nasty shake. She went from 1050 down to 850. That really hurts. So I would be careful of that one also. I don't like that when a stock does that kind of a volatility, but we do know, like sometimes around 10:30 in the morning Eastern time, sometimes we know those are resistance levels. So if the stock does have a push, remember, don't underestimate. By the way, tip of the day, a lot of people always tell me, and they always ask me, how do you track pre-market? Well, some of your platforms, unless you turn on your charting, you're not going to know where it is. So pre-market, make sure you have your default set when you do your trading. Another couple of stocks up here. Listen, we're looking at the big percentage gainers of the NASDAQ. 7th on the list is already up 19%, but some of them are not really that tradable. Low volume, no good tier sizes. This one, on the other hand, good volume, 4 million shares, up 11%. Cheap little stock, $2.50. I like these stocks. I really do. Less risk, more reward. Going on the watch list. We have this one on the list, CUEN. Okay. Like I said, not as pretty as the MEDN did, but pretty decent, not bad. Remember, there's a lot of them that are moving this morning. All right, I'm done with the NASDAQ. I'm going to chop over here on the losers. I'm a big fan of bottom fishing. I don't really see anything out there. Oh, this one's taking a big hit. It's probably not on my short list, though, knowing that. New York Stock Exchange, Stock Exchange stocks, I haven't really seen that much moving on. Yesterday, last couple of days, this is up 38%, but she's not really going anywhere. Same thing. This is an IPO, not really going anywhere. New IPO, which, by the way, a lot of new IPOs are coming out these last couple of days. This stock looks like it's going to probably test all-time highs, rig, maybe more of a swing trade. I don't really care about it. Gush, by the way, do you guys see what's happening with oil? I think oil was up $2 this morning. $100 barrel coming soon. Right up here, right there. Remember, oil, if you can't trade the oil on the commodity side, you can always trade the stock side. So you can see here, the stock had a really, really nice move from February. The stock literally went from $50 up to $100. Nice little swing trade. Remember, I told you, if you, when you have a new administration coming in, here in the States, I don't know if you know this, but, you have a totally different ideology of administrations versus Republicans and Democrats. It's going to change everything. Because if it was the same, if it was the same coming in the same administration, you really want to have that much because they took over from the last administration. But when you have a big change, there was a lot of things: EV stocks, oil stocks, airline stocks, lumber. So there's been a lot of changes in the market. But you got, like I said, if you like who they are, you love what they are, you hate who they are. At the end of the day, we're all the same traders, and we have to trade what they're actually pitching. Because if you don't, because as a long-term investor, I tell you this all the time, it's going to affect you down the road. So you got to know how to switch and be smart about your money, other than just saying, that's not going to happen. Maybe tomorrow will be a better day. Maybe tomorrow. Could you imagine being short? That would hurt. Anyway, losers, nothing there. Rest is all pretty much, nothing really going out there. All right. Anything I'm missing? I did not call out. Anything else? Anybody on YouTube? I don't see if anybody on YouTube telling me if they saw anything they want to check out. What do we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So anyway, I wish you guys are with me to enjoy these great cookies. Once again, Andrea, thank you very much. The staff loves you. I love you. I'm going to try to eat as minimal as possible. I don't know how long it's going to last, but I'll try to. Hopefully, Josh doesn't get pissed at me because he likes them himself. But we're going to enjoy them. And like I said, I got that oil, by the way. I love that truffle oil you sent me. I'm looking forward to do that on my burrata and see how that tastes. But everyone, class starts in 15 minutes. We'll see you there. Be careful what you trade today. Be careful tomorrow. Not because we're always careful. It's just we're going into a big holiday. So don't get too cocky. Don't get too greedy. And you'll learn that a lot. That's why we did specifically phase 3 at this time of the year, because you want to see what it's like, good days to trade and bad days to trade. And you always want to be careful on those bad days, because it's not about us teaching you how to make money. It's teaching you how to stop losing it. And it's days like this that prevent you not to throw good money after bad money. So good luck, everyone. I'll see you in class. Be back here at 2:30 for the afternoon meeting. In the meantime, if we're not going to see you in the room, we'll see you in class. And if you're watching YouTube, Facebook Live, you watch this recording, just like us, friend us. Always do a trial. Come join our trading room. See what trading's all about. Remember, it's not for everybody. It doesn't mean you should not at least see what it's about and try it first. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading.